Hi there, students. Nugatory. Nugatory, an adjective. Okay, if something is nugatory, it's worth nothing. It has almost no value. Yeah. So, the things that he gave me were of nugatory value, but certainly for me they were something that I appreciated a lot. Okay, so nugatory, worthless, trifling, of little importance. Also, notice ineffective, invalid, futile. So, for example, if you use tautology in your English, you are using nugatory extra words. You're using extra words that don't add anything to it. Legally speaking, if something is nugatory, it's ineffectual. It doesn't have any force. It's inoperative. Yeah, it doesn't work. So nugatory, of no value or no importance. Yeah, he made some nugatory comments, but they were absolutely inconsequential. Yeah, um, the lack of availability of new staff will be nugatory if there's no budget to employ new people. Okay, so nugatory, trifling, worthless. Yeah, the interest of politicians in the interest of their people is nugatory. They're only interested in their own things. If something's nugatory, it's not operative. It's invalid. Yeah. So the nugatory use of hyperbole. Well, maybe it's not nugatory because maybe people pay attention. Yeah. Maybe we need to add some nugatory technical tweaks to this. So very small, just to make it better. Yeah. I wish that the red tape involved in this were nugatory, but it's anything but nugatory. There's a large amount of it. Okay, so nugatory. A law, a nugatory law. It means it's not valid. It doesn't take force, or maybe it's in force, but it's just not a valid law. The government's attempts to stop COVID appeared to be nugatory. Yeah. Futile, invalid. Yeah. He said he was going to help, but in reality, the nugatory effort that he made to help was nugatory. Yeah. It didn't. It was insignificant. It was trivial. It was trifling, inconsiderable, negligible. Yeah, very small. If you're nitpicking, you're always complaining about nugatory matters, nugatory things. Yeah, they're just insignificant. Okay, so something that's trivial or insignificant, or something that's useless, that's futile, that doesn't actually change anything. Okay, so formality. Let's see, nugatory. This is a formal word. Sounds very literary as well. I think I'd give it a 7.5 to an 8 in formality. Use in the semi-formal or formal writing. I don't think I would probably use this in conversation. Well, maybe in a very formal conversation, but no, I think it's a much better written. Oh, by the way, this word also actually has a meaning in computing, meaning something that you can remove from your computer. A program that you can remove from your computer, which is not going to harm your computer, but it's also safe if you leave it in there. It's not going to do anything to it. Okay, so nugatory, trivial, trifling, ineffective, invalid, not having any force, not having any effect. So I think I've covered, oh no, the origin. This comes from Latin, from the word nugatorius, yeah, nugatorius, which itself comes from nugae, meaning trifles, yeah, so trifling, yeah, nugatorius, nugae, nugare, to trifle, yeah, nugae, jests or jokes as well. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Nugatory.